According to clinical data published in the Journal of Applied Physiology and the American Heart Association, the circulation in your legs could be completely different in exactly 2 hours from now. If you are over 60 and your feet feel like ice at night, or your legs feel heavy like lead when you walk, you are experiencing a vascular emergency. But here is the breakthrough promise. Research now proves that one specific category of nutrients can reopen your arteries and restore warmth in just 120 minutes. Most people are told that poor circulation is just a normal part of getting older. That is a dangerous myth. What you are actually experiencing is a collapse in nitric oxide production. After age 60, your body's ability to create this miracle molecule, the one responsible for keeping your blood vessels relaxed and wide open, drops by a staggering 70%. When your nitric oxide levels collapse, your blood vessels do not just narrow, they become stiff and brittle, like old frozen pipes. This triples your risk of a life-altering fall and accelerates irreversible nerve damage. But today, we are engineering a solution. I am going to give you the top 5 science-backed drinks that reopen those narrow vessels and turn them back into high-speed highways of blood flow. We are skipping the fluff and getting straight to the data that your doctor might have missed. The early satisfaction list. Because I value your time and the algorithm thrives on early satisfaction, I am giving you the hierarchy of circulation right now. Based on peer-reviewed clinical trials from the last 5 years, these are the top performers for people over 60. Number 5, pure dark cocoa. Number 4, hibiscus tea. Number 3, fresh celery juice. Number 2, the arugula nitrate smoothie. And number 1, pure beetroot juice. Pay close attention to this order. While number 5 starts working in exactly 2 hours to match our promise, number 1 creates a permanent vascular shift. If you follow the 30-day protocol I will reveal at the end of this video. Drink number 5, the 2-hour cocoa spark. Let us start with the drink that matches our 2-hour promise, pure dark cocoa. We are not talking about sugary hot chocolate or processed candy. We are talking about raw, unsweetened cocoa powder. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that the unique flavanols in cocoa trigger the endothelium, the microscopic inner skin of your arteries, to release a sudden burst of nitric oxide. In clinical tests, seniors showed a 24% increase in blood flow to the lower limbs exactly 2 hours after consumption. This is the spark your vessels need. However, you must avoid the common dairy trap. If you add cow's milk, the milk proteins bind to the flavanols, making them biologically useless. To do this right, mix 2 tablespoons of raw cocoa into hot water with a pinch of cinnamon. This provides the circulation jumpstart without the insulin spike that causes vessels to clamp shut. Drink number 4, the hibiscus arterial relaxer. Number 4 is hibiscus tea, the budget-friendly powerhouse. For seniors over 60, arterial stiffness is the silent enemy. Hibiscus contains unique organic acids that act as natural inhibitors of vessel constriction. In a 6-week study, researchers found that drinking 2 cups of hibiscus daily reduced arterial stiffness by nearly 40%. Imagine your arteries going from stiff, dry rubber to flexible, soft, elastic. That is what hibiscus does. In that same study, it improved overall blood flow by 31% in older adults. This is the specific solution for that restless, creepy, crawly feeling in your legs before bed. Steep 2 tea bags in hot water for a full 10 minutes to ensure you extract the potent anthocyanins. Drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the late afternoon to maintain a steady state of relaxation in your veins. The science of the blockage. Before we reach the top 3, you must understand why walking more is not always enough for everyone. If your internal pipes are shriveled, the oxygen simply cannot reach your leg muscles. This creates a feedback loop of pain. You try to walk, your legs ache, so you sit down. When you sit, your blood pools in your ankles, causing swelling, discoloration, and further stiffness. To break this cycle, we need dietary nitrates. These are not the same as the harmful nitrates found in processed meats. These are plant-based compounds that your body uses as raw fuel to manufacture nitric oxide on demand. These next 3 drinks are the most efficient ways to deliver that fuel. Drink number 3, the celery morning flush. Number 3 is fresh celery juice. While it became a social media trend for weight loss, its true medical value for seniors is in its natural sodium cluster salts and high nitrate density. One 16-ounce glass of celery juice can increase the velocity of blood flow to your feet by 40% within 3 hours. For seniors, celery juice acts as a vascular flush. It helps pull excess fluid out of the tissues around your ankles and pushes it back into the bloodstream where it belongs. To maximize this effect, you need it fresh. Juice 4 to 5 large stalks and drink it pure on an empty stomach. If you have noticed your socks leaving deep indentations in your skin at the end of the day, celery juice is your primary corrective tool for fluid management and vessel opening. Drink number 2, the Arugula Nitrate Balm. Number 2 is the Arugula Smoothie. This is the secret weapon used by elite athletes to move blood to their muscles, and it is even more effective for people over 60 who are struggling with mobility. Pound for pound, arugula contains more natural nitrates than almost any other vegetable, including spinach and kale. A study in the journal Nutrients showed that a high nitrate green smoothie improved walking distance in seniors by 22% in just 14 days. When you blend arugula, you break the cellular walls of the plant, making the nitrates bioavailable the second they hit your tongue. Here is the Senior Flow recipe. Blend 2 cups of fresh arugula, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You must drink this within 10 minutes of blending. If you let it sit, the nitrates oxidize and lose their explosive power. This is the drink that helps you regain the stamina to walk through a grocery store or a park without needing to find a bench every 5 minutes. Drink number 1, the king of vascular health. Finally, we reach the absolute king of leg circulation, pure beetroot juice. This is not a supplement, it is a clinical intervention. A study from the Journal of Applied Physiology specifically targeted seniors with peripheral circulation issues. They found that 8 ounces of beet juice daily for 15 days led to a 45% improvement in blood flow to the lower extremities. But it gets even better. It also reduced the oxygen cost of movement. This means your heart does not have to work as hard to move your legs. Beet juice contains the highest concentration of nitrates in liquid form. It literally unsticks your blood cells, allowing them to flow through the narrowest capillaries in your toes. The protocol is strict. 8 ounces of pure organic beetroot juice every morning. It must be on an empty stomach. If you have food in your system, the pH levels in your stomach will destroy half of the nitrates before they can be absorbed. Within 3 days, you will feel the warmth return. Within 2 weeks, you will feel a level of leg strength you haven't felt in a decade. The warning, the mouthwash rule. Now, this is the most critical part of the entire video. If you ignore this, you are wasting your money. The conversion of these drinks into nitric oxide starts in your mouth, not your stomach. You have friendly bacteria on your tongue that do the heavy lifting of the first stage of conversion. If you use antibacterial mouthwash after drinking these, you kill those bacteria. You effectively turn off your body's ability to fix your circulation. Avoid mouthwash entirely while on this protocol, or at least wait 4 hours after your drink. Also, avoid refined sugar. Sugar causes immediate inflammation in the vessel walls, causing them to snap shut and cancel out the benefits of the nitrates. The 30-day challenge. I am challenging every viewer over 60 to the 30-day vascular reset. Start tomorrow morning with 8 ounces of beetroot juice on an empty stomach. Take a before photo of your ankles and feet today. Document the color of your skin and any visible swelling. After 30 days of consistency, take an after photo. This is not just about avoiding cold feet. This is about your independence. It is about the confidence to walk without fear of falling and the energy to live your life fully. Your legs carry you through life. It is time you gave them the fuel they need. I monitor the feedback loop of this channel daily. Tell me your age in the comments and let me know which of these 5 drinks you are adding to your routine tomorrow morning. If this scientific breakdown helped you understand your body better, hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Health Tips. We deliver data-driven health solutions for seniors every single week. Let us reopen those vessels and get your mobility back starting today. I will see you in the next video.